We are going to start with unit number 8, Energy in Our Lives, page number 86. Today we are going to do the last topic of this chapter. So we are going to just review first of all about energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We require energy to perform different activities like grow, walk, and keep warm. Our body gets energy from the food. The food has stored energy and body changes this energy into different kinds of energy it needs like heat, kinetic, heat energy and kinetic energy. So basically we need energy to perform different activities in our lives. We require energy to grow, to move and keep warm. Our body gets that energy basically from the food. So the food is the main source from which we get energy. So the food has chemical energy stored in it. This chemical energy, when we consume the food, it goes in our body. Here in this diagram, you can see chemical energy is in the food is in the form of carbohydrate, fat, proteins, and other vitamins and minerals. So when we consume the food, it goes into our body and body energy currency increases. Some of the energy that disappears in the form of heat when we are, it depends upon our body temperature and some the he, chemical some of the chemical waste comes out of our body like carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide comes from our nose when we breathe out or our mouth and from our mouth, and water comes out as through urination or through sweating. So this is the energy in our lives. We are going to start with energy transfer in an environment, page number 86. Basically, green plants use sunlight to grow and make food. Plants are the main, plants are also known as producers because they have a capability, they are capable of producing their own food through the process of photosynthesis, and sunlight is very important for that. This solar energy is stored in the form of chemical energy of the food. So when the food is made like fruits and vegetables in the form of fruits and vegetables, when a plant makes its food, then that food contains chemical energy. When animals and humans eat the plant, this chemical energy is transferred to their body. Here it is a very simple process that plants make their food. They contain chemical energy. When an animal or human they eat the plant, then that chemical energy is transferred into their body. The body of animal or human changes this chemical energy to different kinds of energy they need. Heat energy and kinetic energy disappear in the atmosphere. So they are saying that when the chemical energy is present in the body of plant or animal or human, then what they do is they convert that energy into different kinds of energy that depends upon their need, that depends upon their activity. That chemical energy may be converted into kinetic energy or heat energy or other sort of energy that depends purely on their needs. Here in this diagram, in this picture, it is clear that this is your solar energy. Plant needs this solar energy to produce their food. So plants are known as producers. When primary consumer like herbivores, they eat the plants, then this chemical energy that is stored in the food is transferred into their body. They get the energy. Then they can convert this chemical energy into different source of energy according to their needs. When these animals, these consumers are eaten by carnivores who are known as secondary consumer, then this chemical energy is transferred into their body. They can also convert this chemical energy into different form of energy according to their needs. And when these are consumed by tertiary consumers or larger carnivores like eagle or vulture, then what happens is that chemical energy is transferred to their body. So from the producers, the chemical energy is transferred to the tertiary consumers. So this is how energy travels and energy transfers into your environment.